Welcome to InvestoSphere. If you're looking for a way to build a profitable online business without needing to know any coding, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting and highly profitable opportunity, building and selling AI chatbots. And yes, you can do it without any coding skills. Imagine this. You could have your own AI chatbot business, offering cutting-edge technology to businesses, websites, and individuals who are looking for automation. Chatbots are in high demand, and the best part is that you can tap into this market even if you've never written a single line of code. Sounds amazing, right? Let's break it down. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started with AI chatbots, build your own, and sell them for a profit. So, make sure you stick around because what you're about to learn could change the way you look at online businesses forever. Section 1. What are AI chatbots and why are they important? Let's start with the basics. An AI chatbot is a software application designed to simulate human conversation. They can communicate with users through text or voice, and they can handle a wide variety of tasks, from customer service to sales, scheduling, and even answering questions. But why should you care about building and selling them? The demand for chatbots is growing rapidly. According to industry reports, businesses are increasingly relying on AI chatbots to improve customer engagement, reduce costs, and streamline operations. Whether it's for answering customer queries, managing bookings, or providing product recommendations, businesses are seeing the value of integrating AI chatbots into their operations. What makes chatbots so powerful is their ability to work 24/7 without breaks. This makes them an indispensable tool for many businesses, especially in industries like retail, hospitality, and healthcare. Now, think about this. If businesses are actively seeking chatbots, and if you can create them without needing coding skills, you have a golden opportunity. Section 2. How to build AI chatbots without coding. Now, here's the good news. Building an AI chatbot without coding is easier than ever. Thanks to modern tools and platforms, you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Let's explore some of the best platforms that allow you to create and customize AI chatbots. 1. Chatfuel. Chatfuel is a powerful platform that lets you create chatbots for Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and other messaging apps. The best part? It's a no-code platform. You can design your chatbot using simple drag-and-drop tools, and it doesn't require any coding knowledge. With Chatfuel, you can create everything from basic FAQ bots to advanced customer service bots. 2. MiniChat. MiniChat is another user-friendly platform that allows you to create bots for various messaging platforms. It provides a simple interface where you can create automated workflows, design conversations, and even set up AI-based responses. MiniChat is especially popular for creating bots that can help businesses with lead generation, product recommendations, and customer support. 3. Tars. Tars is a chatbot builder that focuses on creating high-converting chatbots for websites. Whether you're building a bot for lead generation, customer support, or feedback collection, Tars makes it easy to design and deploy chatbots without any coding. Their drag-and-drop interface is intuitive, and they provide several templates to help you get started quickly. 4. Landbot. Landbot offers a visually appealing platform for creating conversational experiences on websites. With Landbot, you can design bots that interact with visitors on your site, guiding them through processes like customer support, product recommendations, or simple inquiries. Like the other platforms, it's completely no-code. Each of these platforms offers templates and pre-built workflows, so you don't have to start from scratch. They also provide integration options with popular tools like Google Sheets, CRM systems, and email marketing software, so you can easily connect your chatbots with your business processes. Section 3. Designing your AI chatbot. Now that we know how to build chatbots using no-code tools, let's talk about designing your chatbot. A well-designed chatbot is critical to its success. You want to provide a seamless experience for users while achieving your business objectives, whether that's generating leads, answering questions, or providing recommendations. Here are some key design tips. 1. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate your chatbot's design. A simple, clear conversation flow is the key to keeping users engaged. Start by defining the primary goal of your chatbot, whether it's to answer frequently asked questions or guide users through a product selection process. From there, you can map out a simple flow of questions and answers. 2. Human-like conversations. Make sure the chatbot feels natural. Even though it's automated, users shouldn't feel like they're talking to a robot. Try to make the conversation feel personal, warm, and human-like. Keep your responses friendly and conversational. 3. Offer value. Don't just create a chatbot for the sake of it. Your chatbot should provide real value to users. This could be by answering questions, offering assistance, or guiding users through processes that would normally require human interaction. The more useful your chatbot is, the more valuable it will be to businesses and their customers. 4. Test and optimize. Once your chatbot is live, make sure to monitor its performance. Is it answering questions accurately? Are users getting stuck? Use analytics and user feedback to make continuous improvements. Optimization is key to ensuring your chatbot delivers the best results. Section 4. Selling your AI chatbots. Now that you know how to build your AI chatbots, the next step is to sell them. So, how can you sell these chatbots and make a profit? 1. Identify your target market. First, you need to define who your potential customers are. Businesses in many industries, such as e-commerce, healthcare, real estate, and education, can benefit from chatbots. Focus on industries where automation and customer engagement are highly valued. 2. Create a portfolio. As you begin building more chatbots, showcase them in a portfolio. This will make it easier for potential customers to see what you can offer. Create a website or landing page that features your chatbot designs, case studies, and testimonials. 3. Offer customization services. While you can sell pre-built chatbots, many businesses may want something more specific to their needs. Offer customization services where you modify your chatbot to fit a company's unique requirements. This can be a lucrative way to increase your earnings. 4. Sell on freelance platforms. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can be excellent places to find clients who are looking for chatbot services. You can list your chatbot building services and attract businesses that need help automating their operations. 5. Create a subscription model. Another way to generate income from your chatbots is through a subscription model. Offer businesses ongoing chatbot maintenance, updates, and optimization for a monthly fee. This creates a passive income stream that can grow over time. Section 5. Potential earnings and profitability. You might be wondering, how much can I make building and selling AI chatbots? The answer depends on several factors, including the complexity of the chatbot, the market you're targeting, and how well you market your services. However, AI chatbots can be sold for anywhere between $500 to $5,000 or more, depending on their features and the business's requirements. Some chatbot creators earn a steady income from selling pre-made bots, while others offer customization services and charge higher rates. With the right strategy and marketing, you can build a very profitable business by selling AI chatbots. And that's it. You now know how to build and sell AI chatbots with no coding required. I hope this video gave you the inspiration and tools you need to start your own chatbot business. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to InvestoSphere for more content on how to build wealth online. Your support means a lot. And here's a question for you. What kind of business would you create a chatbot for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.